Hi, this is a quick tech tip on how to upload a custom list into our Blackboard mass communication. First step you need to do is be able to get your student IDs into Excel or Google Sheets, and it needs to be saved as a text file. So here I have my student IDs. I'm going to go to the file and I'm going to save as onto my desktop as a text as MS-DOS, and that's the format that I want. So I'm just going to call it student lists. I'm saving it to my desktop. Okay, so it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to keep it in that format? And yes, I do. So I've saved it onto my desktop. Here is that student list, whatever name you want it to be called. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in my Blackboard Mass Communication, upload that list as a custom group. So I go into the message section, I go into groups, and I'm going to add a custom group. So whatever school is going to be there, whatever name you're going to call it, so just give it a name that's going to make sense. The ID, it's just the private ID, whatever happens to be. And I'm going to upload it from a file. Now, it's going to be sent to the parents. Remember, the ID is the students, but it uses that to send messages to the parents. So I am selecting parents using the student IDs. I'm now going to find that file that I created. Here's that text file, that student list text file that I got from eSchool. And I'm now going to load that list. Once it's done with the loading, it may give me an error. Now these messages here is saying that there is something with these student IDs. It may not be in our system yet. So just be aware if you are doing pre-reg or any messaging to students that are not currently active in our system, it's going to come up with that error because the Blackboard Mass Communication doesn't have those students' information in our system yet. So now when I am satisfied that it has uploaded, then all I do is click on save, and it's going to have that list that I can then use in my messages that I want to use.